Earlier this year, I went through box loads and box loads of slides. You remember when in our youth, when we had pictures taken, they were either developed into a printed picture or slides were created. And so that is what the conversation of today's video is about. What do you do with all those slides? My name is Carolyn Chebaro, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Reinvention and the Simple Life, where my goal is to inspire you, to motivate you, to get you to look at things just a wee bit differently, all on your journey to creating your own simple life. So those slides, they were usually maybe 2 inches by 2 inches, and in order to view the slide, you had to use a machine, and the machine projected the image onto a screen or onto a wall. And they were a great form of entertainment, and I spent not days but weeks looking at old slides. And at the end of the day, having looked at all these slides, what am I going to do with them? I found a solution, and here's a tip for you if you've got box loads and box loads of slides. I headed over to Costco, and Costco have a great service, and it's really cost effective. They will take those slides and put them on a memory stick or on a CD. And I chose to have them, as you can see, on a CD. And the service is very, very efficient, and it maybe took 3 weeks. I think they send them out to a third party, but they were returned in order, all the slides and a couple of CDs. Now, I felt confident after I looked at the CDs to disregard all of the slides. And at my leisure, I went through them all and had several of them printed and then passed them out to family members. So I decluttered the closet, and double whammy, I brought joy and happiness to other members of the family that hadn't seen those photographs in years. Well, that's it for today. I hope that you have enjoyed this video and this quick tip. If you have, please give it the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I appreciate that. And until my next video, toodles.